guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Tan if you're new. In today's video we have a unit sent over from LuvMehair. They sent over this curly unit, which if I'm thinking correctly they're calling it like an Afro curly unit. I could be wrong, but just make sure to check the description box down below where you'll find like a direct link to this unit along with my discount code TAN.SEN. That'll save you 32% off their entire website. But anywho, I can definitely see why they would call this an Afro curly unit, simply because of the curls. It definitely gives off type 4 hair. The cap construction for this unit comes with 3 combs in total, 1 in the back, 2 in the front with 1 on each side. It also comes with a drawstring here in the back as well, along with 2 loops on the sides that you can use to put in, where are the loops at? There we go. That you can use to like put in the security band. Now the security band may or may not come inside of your wig, but if it doesn't come inside of your wig, then just know it's in the box somewhere in one of these little packages. When it comes to the lace space for this unit, it is a 5x5, meaning you are going to get 5 inches going across the front and then 5 inches going straight back for the parting space. Now keep in mind, you can create a middle part or side parts with these types of closure spaces, but if you are expecting to make like a deep side part, don't. Unless you shift the whole unit to the left or the right, then you can create a side or deep side part if that's what you're wanting. But most of the time your best bet is going to be to stick with either a middle part or a flip over method. In my personal opinion, these types of lace spaces are best for beginners as well. As you can see, this unit does come with pre-cut lace, a pre-plucked hairline, and pre-bleached knots. Now I will say the pre-bleached knots could have been bleached just a tad bit better, but the best thing about knots not being completely bleached is that nobody should be that close up on me to be able to tell. Go ahead and talk about my pros and cons for this unit from LuvMehair. We're going to start with my cons first, and the first one is going to be that I got some shedding with this unit. Now don't get me wrong, this is a curly unit, so therefore me personally, I'm going to expect some natural shedding to happen. I mean, number 1, it's a wig, number 2, it's a curly unit, but the fact that I was getting some shedding before I had even touched, like really touched the unit, was a little bit telling. I wasn't necessarily raking my fingers through the unit at first. I was pretty much just kind of like grabbing it and then like pulling through. I've done that with other units before, and sometimes I get some shedding, sometimes I don't get some shedding. But with this unit, it's like almost every single time that I did go through and like do that pulling method, I got a couple of strands of hair. My next con about this unit is I wouldn't say that she's full on big head friendly. Now hear me out. She is sitting on my head, but I wouldn't say comfortably. I would say like semi-comfortably. When I first put this unit on my head, I was kind of like, is she gonna fit? Is she not gonna fit? I was able to get her to sit on my head, but is there any need for me to truly adjust the drawstring? No. If anything, that like squoze my head, and I was like, I don't like that. I don't like that feeling whatsoever. Even right now while I have this unit on, she is squeezing like just a teeny tiny bit. And mind you, I went back and I readjusted that drawstring. Like I loosened it up as much as possible, truth be told. But yeah, I just don't think that she's full on big head friendly. Now let's go ahead and move into my pros for this unit. My first pro for this unit is that she is for sure beginner friendly. Most times when it comes to a curly unit for me, I like to go in and add some type of layers to her, you know, to customize it, but also give the unit some body and shape. There we go. But with this unit, I didn't really have to do that. Now, yes, I did go in and create like a few little face framing layers here in the front, but that was it. Most of the time, I have to go in and I feel like do a whole lot more, and that wasn't the case with this unit. The fact that the unit already came with like light layers throughout her makes me really happy. And also on top of that, usually I like to go in and wet the unit down, go in with some conditioner and some foaming lotion and like finger coil everything. I did go in and do that somewhat, but not as detailed. That's what I'm looking for. Not as detailed as I usually would with my other curly units. I really could have just easily used some water, conditioner, and a dimming brush, gone through and then use a diffuser to like blow dry the hair out with and fluff it up some, and then I would have been good to go. So like, yeah, this is a good curly wig. Of course, I also love the lace on this unit as well. I don't know if you guys can tell, but like, to me, it's giving scalp. Now, this part is a little like super duper straight in my opinion, to where it kind of gives off like, girl, that's a wig. That's a wig. But if I were to go in and like mess it up a little bit, I'm pretty sure I'd be okay. But like, as far as this front goes, like, where the lace at? Tell me. My last pro about this unit is going to be the density of her. Now, on the website, it says that this unit is 220% density. In my opinion, I don't believe that, but hey, that's just my personal opinion. Just because I feel like most of the time curly units, like, they're already big and full and thick and whatnot for the most part. But like, if it's going to be 220% density, I feel like it would be like super, super thick and full and heavy. This unit is not heavy whatsoever. This unit is actually super duper lightweight, but at the same time, it looks very full and thick. So again, I don't think it's 220% density. If anything, it could possibly be like maybe 180, maybe 200%. But hey, the fact that it's lightweight but still gives that full voluminous look works in my book. But yeah, you guys let me know what you think and how you feel about this unit down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell, that way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'll make sure to link them down below in the description box. I'll also make sure to link or have a direct link to this unit down in the description box as well, along with my discount code 10DOTS, and again, that'll save you 32% off of their entire website. But yeah, I don't have anything else to say though, except for I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.